How to set up a Google Ads account in 3 steps. In this post, we're going to show you how to set up a Google Ads account, share some considerations to make beforehand, and equip you with resources to set up your first campaign. Table of contents. Before you create a Google Ads account. 1. Make sure your website is relevant and easy to navigate. 2. Prepare to commit to this project for the long haul. 3. Be ready for some heavier lifting in the first month. 4. Identify what your conversion will be. It is also important that you identify the value associated with a completed conversion. How to set up a new Google Ads account. 1. Choose or create your Google account. If you use Gmail, that means you already have a Google account, so you can skip to the next step. 2. Sign up for Google Ads. 3. Set up your first campaign. Instead, click on Switch to Expert Mode below it. Free Google Ads resources. Google Ads Account Structure Guide. The way you organize your account will greatly impact your ad performance.